Inequalities, lesson 1. In this lesson, we quickly review what we usually do in grade 9-10 to solve an algebraic inequality. Let's start with a linear inequality. 5x minus 3 greater than x minus 2. To solve this inequality, we bring x to one side of the inequality and numbers to the other. From here we have 4x greater than 1. This means x is greater than 1 over 4. One important part here is when you times or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the direction of the inequality will be reversed. For example, 8x greater than 10x plus 3. From here we have 8x minus 10x greater than 3. This means minus 2x greater than 3. Therefore, x is smaller than negative 3 over 2. Let's have another example. Let's solve 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1 over 3, smaller or equal than 1, greater or equal than negative 2. To solve this inequality, we times everything by 3. Since 3 is a positive number, inequality holds. Then we isolate x. 2x is smaller or equal than 4, greater or equal than negative 5. Therefore, x is smaller or equal than 2, greater or equal than negative 2.5. To solve a nonlinear inequality, we use sign chart. Let's have an example. x2 minus 6x greater than 0. We set x2 minus 6x to 0. We have x equals 0 or 6. This means at x equals 0, x2 minus 6x is 0. At x equals 6, x2 minus 6x equals 0. Then this way we partitioned the real lines in 3 parts: less than 0, between 0 and 6, and greater than 6. If we pick any number greater than 6 and plug it in, x2 minus 6x is positive. If we plug in any number between 0 and 6, let's say 1, we see x2 minus 6x is negative. And for any number less than 0, it is positive. This means x2 minus 6x is greater than 0 when x is smaller than 0 or greater than 6. A couple of important inequalities that we learned in grade 9-10. X to the power of any even integer is always greater or equal than 0. Equality holds when x is 0. Absolute value of x is always greater or equal than 0. Let's have an example on one of these. Let's assume we want to prove for any two real numbers a and b, a2 is greater than a2 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2a. Say we know a minus 1 to the power of 2 is greater or equal than 0. Therefore, a2 minus 2a plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. This means a2 plus 1 is greater or equal than 2a. Equality holds when a is 1. Thanks for watching.